What's up guys, Mr. LNC checking out the Janwold 4K dual facing dash cam. That's how it comes packaged. The instruction manual. The dash cam itself looks sleek. I like it. Nice size. Okay, so here's the power cord, cigarette lighter to dash cam, and an extended camera where you can stick anywhere you want for a different angle in your car. Hey guys, we did a quick easy install right here. We'll go ahead, we'll do a screen peel for you. How nice is that? All right, up in the top right corner, we can see the back camera. We can position that anywhere we like. There's a super long cord here. I mean, this is way, like twice the length of my car, so we could put this camera anywhere we want. Up in the top right corner, we can see the back camera. We can position that anywhere we like. What I like about this camera is you can just pull it off. It's on there magnetically, so if I want, I can remove it and put it anywhere I want. It's like a GoPro almost. And it has a SD card included. Let's see what size they give you. Wow, they give you a nice 64 gigabyte SD card, micro SD with this, so that's awesome. We got buttons on the side to control it. Let's go ahead and put it back up there. This flexes so you can adjust your angle if you like. On the right side on the bottom button, we can mute and unmute the microphone. So this very top button will stop and start the recording. So right now it's recording. I'll press it. And that completely stops the recording. Pull it off of there, bring it inside if I want. Connect it to my PC, get all the data, or I can pop that SD card out. That's super beneficial. Somehow it knows the date and time. It's all set. I didn't even touch that. That's pretty impressive. Holy cow. I didn't even link this to my phone or nothing. It says it has Wi-Fi, but it knows the date and time automatically somehow. It has Wi-Fi, GPS. All right, here's a look at the actual dash cam footage in 4K video. We can see the date and time, the vehicle speed, and the GPS location in the bottom left corner. Of course, I censored the GPS location for my privacy. Also, if you have the secondary camera attached, you can put it anywhere in your car, and that will also record a 4K video just like this, full screen. Overall, I'm loving this camera, and I appreciate you guys taking a look at it with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.